Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea with normal tea. First, select your favorite tea, whether it's tea bags or loose leaf. For a standard glass, use about 2 tea bags per 8 ounces of water. Bring your water to a boil, then steep the tea for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your desired strength. This initial hot brew is crucial for extracting the full flavor. Once your tea has steeped, remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaf tea. Now, let the hot tea cool down to room temperature. This step is important to prevent the ice from melting too quickly and diluting your drink. If you like your tea sweet, add sugar or your chosen sweetener while the tea is still warm, stirring until it fully dissolves. Now for the refreshing part. Grab your favorite glass or a pitcher and fill it generously with ice cubes. Once your tea is completely cooled, slowly pour it over the ice. This method ensures a perfectly chilled beverage without excessive dilution. For an extra touch, garnish your iced tea with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Enjoy your homemade refreshment. Here are a few extra tips for your perfect iced tea. If you prefer a stronger brew, simply use more tea bags instead of steeping for a longer time, which can make it bitter. You can store any leftover iced tea in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Also, for staying hydrated on the go, check out the Owala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.